Hi, Irini. It's Leslie. How are you? I hope you're doing well. I miss you and I miss reading with you. Hopefully, you like this story I have today. It's called I Have Hiccups, which I get all the time. And a little secret, my dog actually gets hiccups all the time, too. So here we go. Hic, I have the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mom says. I take a deep breath. I puff my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. Next page. Hic, I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, Dad says. I drink. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. Next page. Hic, I still have hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother says. I don't like pickles, I say. I like pickles, Irini. Do you? Next page. He shrugs. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny bite of a pickle. It's sour. I make a face. Yuck. I don't think she likes pickles at all. Next page. Hic. I still have hiccups. I go next door to Auntie Nora's house. Help, I say. I have the hiccups. Next page. Lay on the floor, Auntie Nora says. I lay on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Next page. Sing the ABC song. What? I say. It'll work. Try it. I sing my ABCs. I wonder if this is going to work, Irini. Let's see. Next page. Hic. I still have the hiccups. My cousin Salima comes home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. Next page. I have the hiccups, Salima. Please help me. I beg. Salima says. Stand on one leg. I do. I hold onto a chair. Next page. Now, stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Now, open your eyes really wide. I do. And I try not to blink. Let's try that, Irini. Stick out your tongue. Open your eyes as wide as you can. I'm going to try to do it too. Ready? Go. Okay. Let's see if that worked. Next page. Now look over your shoulder, she says. I look over my left shoulder. Now wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. Next page. I hope I don't fall. I am wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are getting tired. My tongue is dry. My neck is sore too. Oh, next page. Wait, Salima says as she leaves the room. Don't move, she calls. I don't move, but I really want to. I wait and wait. Next page. Suddenly, the door opens. A bright flash blinds me. I put my leg down and pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. I wonder what's there. Next page. Salima laughs and holds up her camera. She shows me the picture she just took. I smile. I look silly. Yes, Salima laughs, but your hiccups are gone. Next page. That's funny. Comprehension questions. How many people try to cure the hiccups? Let's think about this. We can count backwards, right? There's the cousin, Salima, that's one. There's the aunt. That's 2, Aunt Nora. There's her brother. That's 3. The father. That's 4. And her mom. So that's 5 people try to help her with her hiccups. Everyone's trying to help. And we could say that she's trying to help herself. So that's 6 people, right? Depends on how you look at it. Next question. What is the brother's idea for curing the hiccups? Do you remember? It was something sour and she did not like it. What do you think? What was sour that she tried? I'm going back to that page. Yuck. It was a pickle, wasn't it? Yes. The sour pickle. And that didn't work, getting rid of her hiccups. Okay. Who was the first person to try and help? Think about that. Think about when we first opened the story. Who was really the first person to help her? It was, let's go back to the very first page. I'll be quick. So remember this word right here? Mom. It was her mom that tried to help get rid of her hiccups. She was the first person that she went to. And the last question, what is the best word to describe Salima? Salima is her cousin. So there's so many words, and I bet you can think of any word to describe her. I know that at the beginning, she thought her cousin Salima was smart because she read a lot of books. She was silly because she made her do all those silly things. She was funny because she took a picture and laughed. It sounds like her cousin is also a good friend of hers. And she's fun. She's caring because she cared about getting rid of the hiccups. So she was so many different things. This was a good story. I liked it. I hope you're having a great day. Enjoy this story. Maybe you could retell the story about hiccups to your family, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, Irini.